Use a faster web server. The web server you use can have a significant impact on the speed of your website. Some web servers are faster than others, and switching to a faster web server can help improve website loading times. For example, Apache and Ginx are two popular web servers that can provide faster loading times than other options. Minimize redirects. Redirects can add additional time to the loading of a web page, as it requires an additional request to the server. To minimize redirects, try to use direct links to resources and avoid using unnecessary redirects. Optimize your code. Optimizing your website's code can help reduce the amount of time it takes for the server to process requests and generate the web page. Some tips for optimizing your code include minimizing the use of inline CSS and JavaScript, which can slow down page loading times. Minimizing the use of external scripts and plugins, which can add additional requests to the server. Using optimized code that is lean and efficient. Monitor and test your website. Regularly monitoring and testing your website's loading speed is crucial to identifying any issues that may be affecting loading times. You can use tools such as Google PageSpeed Insights, GTmetrix, or Pingdom to test your website's loading speed and identify areas for improvement. Additionally, regularly monitoring your website's loading speed can help ensure that any changes you make are having a positive impact on website loading times. Consider a mobile-first approach. With the increasing use of mobile devices to access the internet, it's crucial to consider a mobile-first approach to website design and optimization. Mobile devices often have slower internet connections, and optimizing your website for mobile devices can help improve loading times and provide a better user experience for mobile users. Some tips for optimizing your website for mobile devices include using a responsive design that adapts to different screen sizes, minimizing the use of large images and graphics that can slow down loading times, prioritizing content that is critical for mobile users and minimizing non-essential content. Prioritize above-the-fold content. Above-the-fold content refers to the content that is visible on a web page without the need for the user to scroll down. This content is critical for capturing the user's attention and keeping them engaged with the website. To improve loading speed and user experience, it's essential to prioritize above-the-fold content. This can be done by minimizing the size of above-the-fold content to reduce loading times, prioritizing the loading of above-the-fold content before other elements on the page, using asynchronous loading for non-critical above-the-fold content, so it doesn't delay the loading of critical content. Optimize third-party scripts. Third-party scripts, such as those used for analytics or social media integration, can significantly impact website loading times. To optimize third-party scripts, you can minimize the number of third-party scripts used on your website. Use asynchronous loading for non-critical third-party scripts. Optimize the code used in third-party scripts to reduce their impact on website loading times. Reduce page size. Reducing the overall size of a web page can significantly improve loading times, particularly for users with slow internet connections. To reduce page size, you can minimize the use of large images and graphics, minimize the use of external scripts and plugins,